kunyari main star ka na, kunyari may production number na malaki for one big concert, okay, or for even something like ASAP, okay, kuminsan ikaw ang lead, pero nasa likod ka, nagba-backup choreography ka pa rin. And you know, kung kailan ka pumasok at kailangan alam mo how to pace yourself, ang breathing mo, okay, para makapasok ka sa sayaw at mapasok yung kanta. So that is what we are going to learn today. Oh, by the way, may isa pa akong isi-share lang sa inyo before I go into this lesson, okay? Na medyo nakalimutan kong sabihin last Saturday, pero sana wag nang maulit sa susunod na performance. Kayo talaga, nung kumakanta si Christian to say his goodbye songs, nalala nyo? Umiiyak si Bulilit saying goodbye to everybody. Ano ang ginagawa ng iba sa inyo? Sa audience. Magkaroon naman kayo ng konting sensitivity dun sa kasamahan ninyo na aalis. Hindi ba? O sige na, kung kailangan magpaka-plastic kayo, can you at least pretend you're going to miss the guy? Okay? Kasi kawawa naman din yung tao because you know how it hurts to be voted out. Okay? And after spending like what? 6 weeks with you guys, and you were raving to people. Like you couldn't care less if he busted a gut singing his goodbye song. Okay, can you at least have the sensitivity to respect somebody saying goodbye? Because you wouldn't want that to happen if you were the ones saying goodbye. Okay? I don't know to what degree you love or you hate Christian, but give him at least the respect that he deserves. Okay? So, the next time somebody is going to say goodbye and he's singing his swan song on stage and all of the rest are still there, can you at least give him the due respect of that moment? Okay? Because, ayun. Oo. Habang umakagulgol yung Bulilit, kumakaway kayo, ay no, sabi kayo makita yung mga mahal niyo sa buhay. Ano, kung sabi kayo, gusto nyo bumaba na rin kayo, sumama na kayo. Okay? Okay, game. Sino unahin natin? Boys or girls? I think I choose the girls. Okay? And she is the newest one here. She'll be the first. Okay? Okay, to learn. Okay, ito ating -1. Okay? For SOS. Did you learn it na, anak? A little bit. Okay, sige. Right, Sherwin, how do we go about doing this? So, we get,
I can teach more.
okay, sige, yes, okay. We get, Poy to come over, okay, and then let's get 2 to do backup. Sino, maganda?
Sure, I'd rather have all the girls na learn yung
the
choreography.
Okay.
After that, learn kasi mas simple po.
Okay, sige. All the girls will learn the choreography first and then the backup. Okay, sige. Alright, all the girls, up front. Okay, then we have the boys, okay?
Come on.
Huwag muna yung mic, huwag muna yung mic. Bakit mo dinala yung mic?
Ganda na siya ni last Saturday,
Thank you po.
Dito tayo. Harap.
Yan ang kaway ng kaway.
Sige, very girl. Very girl. So let's learn first yung main dance. Kasi basically, if you're the one singing, if you're the one doing the lead, you're not going to do all this kasi nakamike yung isang kamay nyo. So, dun tayo muna sa mas komplikado, which is when you're at the back. Definitely mas komplikado yun kasi ikaw yung kumakanta. Sige, let's start from here. Everyone here. So, you go. Dito tayo sa chorus. Chorus. Dito tayo. Yeah, spread out. Kawawa naman si Chris. Yeah, you don't have to form a line. Just spread out. Make sure you see yourself in the mirror. Start with the right foot first. You go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, no. Boom, tak, tak, tak. Boom, tak, tak, tak. 5, 6, 7. Boom, tak, tak, tak. Okay, pataas. Then start with the right foot. 4 steps front. Go. And boom, boom, tak, tak. Yan. Don't be too bouncy kasi the song kasi is not hip-hop. It's more boom, tak, tak, tak. Ganun. Hindi siya yung... Hindi siya ganyan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You go. 5, 6. Ay, mali, sorry. 5, 6. Drop on 7. Here on 8.